Hey guys, welcome to Let's Go Catch Some Snaps. Let's see what I have here. What is this? Another Bubba. Wow. And this is the 7-inch tapered flex folding knife. Wow. This is a Bubba folding knife, guys. Wow, this is nice, man. Real nice. See what it looks like. Wow, look at that, guys. Shh, look at the size of this baby. And the best thing about it, guys, is it look. It folds. And you can put it in your pocket or whatever. Look at that. Bubba 7-inch folding knife. Look how cool this is. It's got a little like a Bubba folding knife sticker here. This is awesome. Let's see what else it has. Wow, it has another Bubba sticker. And it's got the folding knife pouch here. And this is the Bubba, another Bubba stuff. Wow, I like this little decal here with the folding knife decal here. This looks kind of cool, man. Stay tuned. Like, share, and subscribe. Let's go catch some snaps.